Not a show, it's a handbag, yeah. I got a lemon. It was 1+1.
I have peach. If I can open it.
Ooh, cheers.
It's really good tea. Yeah. I've had these before and it's really drink them today. Shopping success. So instead of washing my face in the mornings now, I just use toner pads to just get any gunk and oil off my face, especially my T-zone, which is where I get the most oily. And then since this is for targeting pores, because I have a lot of pores, I just put this on my nose because that's where my pores are the biggest. And so I'm wearing this like cute necklace and I'm gonna pair it. Is that too many hearts? I think that's too many hearts. Never mind. But I also got these earrings. So pretty. One's really cool too, but like the back detaches and it has like long chain with pearls on it. It's like a cute little detail. Clip here and a clip here. And it just matches. Because I'm wearing a pretty basic outfit today. Accessorizing will make it look cute. I'm assuming.
It's usually
Oh, I think this side is.
yeah.
Oh my god, these are so cute. They give like pajama pants, but also you can wear it out casually. I got a Miffy. Okay, I need to figure out how I can take this home. It's so big. Oh my god. I'm literally I'm on the 13th floor right now. I'm literally gonna go down 13 floors because I'm too embarrassed to go on the lift all the way down with that many people. It's getting heavy. I brought Miffy home. The only thing is that I haven't checked it works. And I lunged this from Gangnam all the way to Yongsan, which is an hour and 30-minute bus ride because bus ride and metro ride because of traffic. Because I got this, I so happened to get this during traffic hour. So moment of reveal, if she turns on. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Best money spent in Korea. You're so cute. Ah, I'm so happy. Okay, so since I dropped off my Miffy, there's this new restaurant that I saw these influencers eat at. It's Japanese yakiniku, I think. I'm not sure, but it has also seafood. So I'm going to try it out and see if it's good because it also looks really cute, so we can take cute photos. For this chicken. Yeah, this place has not disappointed us.
No, it's really good. Oh yes, I do. Okay.
This one's sweet.
Yeah.
So, currently heading over to go get Korean barbecue. I'm craving that right now. Today is gonna be my rest day. I have been going out every single day, meeting people, and I'm like, this is so energy draining. So today is gonna be my rest day. I'm just gonna spend time with myself, go eat Korean barbecue by myself, and I'm gonna go to a cafe. I'm currently in the Amor Pacific building. I'm here to try out their matcha. I'm so excited. So the only matcha latte that they had was a vegan matcha latte. So it's with oat milk and then drizzled with matcha at the top. Taste test. It is so bright. Oh my god, they have My Melody and Kuromi PJs. Dude, I have to get these. Literally just love walking around the city in the evening. There's something just so romantic about it. Seeing the building lights slowly turn on, the sun setting, and couples reuniting to get dinner. Oh, gets me in my feels. I literally just love walking. And people watching. Heading over to my friend's place. Today we're gonna be doing another DIY project, stained glass and making them into like little wind chimes. So I'm heading over there and we're gonna go to our DIY, yet another DIY class. I was thinking about this. If someone asked me, oh, what did you do in Korea? I'd be like, I literally just took a whole bunch of DIY classes with my besties. I also am wearing my new shoes. And so far, they're pretty comfortable. I've never actually wore heels before, besides for like prom or something. I also brought a pair of my loafers, just in case I start getting blisters or anything, because it's my first time wearing it, so it's bound to get blisters. But literally, so far, so good.
This one, I don't think we did. There's no reverse on this. We're gonna do this one. Oh, I think so.
I don't usually cry at all.
Yeah. It's so satisfying.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, okay.
Made up
Which one do you guys think?
last time if I recall was feeling unreasonable. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but then as I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, gets there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. From now I will feel the ocean.
She beautified it. Oh, look how pretty it is.
That it won't be over soon.
I'm giving what they. That is beautiful. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my. Oh, they have takoyaki here too. We're at the Hong Kong River. we got too much food for us. We'll eat it. We'll slowly munch and gossip at the same time. Oh my god. Oh my god, this looks so good. Is it hard now? Yeah, that's makes sense.
It's okay. This is a lumber cheese.
Cheers! Oh my god, this is so big. So I'm currently heading over to a clinic because I need to figure out what's happening to my skin. I don't know what's happening. I know I have dehydrated skin, and recently I got a product that really is helping it work, but I just want to get a consultation and see what they think, and at the same time, I'm in Korea, I might as well. Thank you. So I just finished my procedure. I did pico toning, some other laser, and then Capri. Is it hot enough?
I can do it.